Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Snapchat account compromised problem that you see sometimes. If you want to learn more on that, please watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to us for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's open up Snapchat. Sometimes you might just get this message that your Snapchat has become compromised, and what this is sometimes just a glitch on the Snapchat server. It's not really a problem. So when the Snapchat server is down, or if this is some glitch in the Snapchat server issues, then this might occur, but this is fairly rare, and if it's occurring, you know it's a problem with the server, and you just have to wait it out for the problem to go away on its own. But if you think that your account might actually have been compromised, what you can do is you open up your browser and you go to support.snapchat.com, and then you click on my account is hacked over here. And then I think my account was hacked. What you'll do is you enter your username, your email address, your mobile number. You can also try and reset, request a password reset link over here. If you click over here, you'll be able to reset your password. So you can go ahead and reset your password. Otherwise, you can just send them that you have a compromised account, and Snapchat will help you get back into it. But again, mostly it's just a issue with the server. If you want to go ahead and report this problem to Snapchat, please also inform them if you're getting any suspicious emails or a verification code that you did not request. So that's how you can fix the Snapchat account compromise problem. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please leave a like on this video if you liked it, and please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one.